welcome to J2EE Tutorials. In this tutorial, we can discuss with the JSP action that is called a JSP usebean tag. So JSP usebean is one of the most powerful tag in our JSP applications. So basically, JSP usebean tag will create an object with the reference the ID that we have given. So here we're going to discuss with the JSP usebean tag in this application. In the previous application, means in the previous tutorial, we have created this JSP action demo program. So in the previous web page, in this previous web application, we have this JSP file.jsp. we cannot delete that one right now, so I'll delete that file.jsp, and I need this index.jsp right now, so I cannot delete this one too. So here, first of all, to work with the JSP usebean, I need one Java class over here. To create a Java class, we need to create a Java package. So to create Java package, go for this source package and right click on this source package and go for the new, and here you can click on Java package. So here package name is mypack, and then finish. So this is a package just I was created right now. So and then go for the right click and go for the new, and then go for the Java class. And here in this Java class, I'm going to give the name of the Java class is supposed to be class name employee. So finish it. So once I have created this class, so it will be under package mypack. So here, to create this employee under mypack package, so you can right click on mypack and then create this file. So here in this employee, I'm going to use a simple variable that is called a string username. I'm going to use string, and then over here after this, so use just click on this username and then use alt insert. So you got this menu over here. In that, click on getter and setter, click here and generate. So it will be generated with a complete getter and setter methods over here, and also we need the constructor as well. So I can go for the constructor right now. Alright, so I got the constructor, and then here in this one, so this employee is act as a main class for our application here. So I can go with the index.jsp next. So here in this index.jsp, so I can go with JSP usebean. So JSP usebean, so one of the mandatory property is supposed to be ID. The ID is supposed to be my ID. So I'm going to use my ID, and the class is this is supposed to be mypack dot employee, and then I'm going to finish up this usebean. Within this usebean, next is supposed to be JSP. So we need to go for set property. So here the property is supposed to be username and value equals to I'm finishing this JSP set property and name equals to my ID. That's it. This is a JSP property over here. I have set the property. So after setting this property, what we need to do is so if I want to access the value that was given over here, if you run this application, what you can see, so there is nothing output over here. So I just want to run this up. I just want to print the value that was given over here. So that is supposed to be, so welcome I can go for the strong tag, strong over here, and then here JSP. Again we need to go for the usebean, JSP usebean. That's it. Or else you can put this entire object under this. You can put this entire tags within this JSP usebean, and then here come here. What you need to do is here JSP get property. So get property name is equal to, name is supposed to be my ID, and property is supposed to be username, and this is how the get property is used. Next I'm going for JSP get property. And after this, so run this application. So here what happens, so this JSP, within this JSP usebean we have to go for the JSP get property and JSP set property. So here in this JSP set property I have set the name is supposed to be my ID. So this is the ID reference that was and the property name is supposed to be username, which is supposed to be within this employee. I got this variable that is called username, and over here in this index.jsp that value is supposed to be this name over here. So this my name here, and that value will be assigned to this username using set username method. So this set username is supposed to be set using this set property. So and then get property is something like get username, which will returns the username that was set over here, and that username will be returned to you in front of this welcome message, and that will be accessed using the JSP get property, and entire this set property and get property must be within the JSP usebean tag. So this is how the JSP usebean tag is used. Let's see the output of this application right now. So just run on here. Alright, I got the result over here, so which is displaying the result, welcome Amanna. So this is how the JSP usebean tag is used. So if suppose if I am going to use someone tag like if suppose I am using JSP usebean ID equals to my ID and class equals to my pack dot employee. So this ID I am going to use my ID 1 over here, and then here I'm going to JSP get property I'm going to use. So the name is supposed to be my ID 1, and then property is supposed to be username. Finish it and go for welcome. That's it. So if you run this application, let's see what happened. Of course I got the result. The name of this variable is over here. So just go for this username over here and then run this application. Again it will be the error message. Alright, so I got nothing over here. Okay, so this is welcome, and simply it was giving empty over here. It is just because we don't have any set the value for this ID, that value for this username which is associated with this ID. So this ID is my ID 1, and this ID is my ID, and this ID is set with the value using the JSP set property, and this ID is not have any value that has been set over here. To set the value, we need to go for the JSP set property, then only it will be successful for you. So if you set the value with this ID, with the same ID, JSP1, and username is supposed to be, give the one more username over here, save this and run the application. Alright, you got the result is well over here. So this is how the JSP usebean tag is used in the JSP applications. Thanks for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial we can see more concepts on JSP action.